The Federation have deployed the Deep Space Vanguard onto Valaka to set up ARC subsurface scanners. Give 'em hell, troopers!
This is Pirate of Brimstone 1. We are a go with the ARC mission. Establish the base at the designated sector and get the ARC set up and activated. Prepare for a fight, troopers. Pyre out.
We're sending down a new M11E Marauder. Check the TAC map for drop coordinates.
Mobile HQ is transmitting, and we have a fix on your location. ARC is en route.
This is Vulture 1. I have a lock on your base location, inbound with the payload. Clear the drop zone. Vulture 1 is RTB. Payload is on the deck.
Brimstone 1, we marked a few ore veins on your map. Grab those resources. You're gonna need them.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen. Troopers, this sector is under plasma bombardment. Expect casualties on the bounce. Ready. Troopers, watch your step out there. Patrol reinforcements are limited for this engagement. Stay safe and Godspeed.
Refinery is under attack.
Brimstone 1, M11E Marauder inbound to your position. Check your TAC map for the drop zone.
Hostile spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers. The plasma bugs have been exterminated. Continue with the mission.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant. Western quadrant.
Warning, the rapid threat levels have increased.
Activating
Hive
ability!
detected in your AO. Destruction of the hive is recommended.
We're sending down a new M11 Marauder. Check the attack map or drop coordinates.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant. Binary activated. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
Changing magazine!
Incoming plasma bombardment. Keep eyes on and get the job done ASAP.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
trooper. You don't have permission to die today.
We're sending down a new M11E Marauder. Check the attack map for
Enemy arachnid patrol detected. Eliminated to reduce arachnid threat levels in your AO. Warning, arachnid threat levels have increased.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Don't give up, Valaka.
Changing magazine. Loading flashbang.
On the bounce, troopers. Plasma bombardment has subsided.
Reloading.
Signal booster location has been designated. Secure the signal booster.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Brimstone 1, we see you've gathered enough ore to build up a good defense for the Ark. Great work. All units. Gas refineries have been spotted in your sector. Grab the gas fast and get the Ark scanning. Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers.
Refinery activated. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Resources ready. Refinery activated. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Resources ready. Refinery activated. Units ready.
Troopers, this sector is under plasma bombardment. Expect casualties. On the bounce.
Refinery activated.
Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Warning, Arachnid threat has risen in severity.
First aid administered. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
We're sending down a new M11E Marauder. Check the TAC map for drop coordinates.
Ability active. Brimstone 1, a Vanguard unit has dealt with the plasma bombardment. Focus on the mission and return home.
Monster shield of fire is shooting friendly! Ability!
Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Be advised, Arachnid threat levels have risen. Heads up, Brimstone 1. We're authorized to recycle an abandoned fortification. Get there before the bugs do.
Refinery activated. The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Last guess coming.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant. Gas.
That will do it. Brimstone 1. The ark's filled and ready to go. Don't just stand there. Everything, including the kitchen sink, will be on you in minutes. Get your defenses primed and ready.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant. The base is under attack in the western quadrant. The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Troopers, you got 30 seconds until the arc slams. Ten seconds until the arc is activated.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Arc has been fired. Data from the seismic pulse looks good. Expect a horde inbound to your location. ETA, now. Arc is at 25% complete. Staying at 75%. We're almost there, Brimstone 1. All troopers on the ground, prepare to extract. Emergency. Arachnid threat levels have maxed out. Arachnid horde approaching your position.
All received. Ultra One inbound for pickup.